Welcome to SEO tutorials for beginners. So we're going to look at how you can duplicate a page using Elementor. So we have a blog post all ready to go. Now there's a couple different things that we can do to duplicate a page, duplicate a section, or make something global. And we'll just cover all of those really quick. So let's just say, for example, this is my page and I have my template exactly how I want it, and I want to use it on a different page on my website. So first we could come over here and click on the save options, or the little publish button here, and then I can click on save as template, and from there we can just give this a name. We'll just say template 1, hit save, and there I would be able to reuse this whole page or template to put on a different page. So one way that I could do this is I could just hit the folder right here as add a template. I'm just going to sort by my creation date. Right here you see template 1, and then I would hit insert, hit apply. Then that will post that section right below, just as this page would be. Now, let's just say this was just one little section from the blog post that I wanted to reuse again. Then I could come up here to the edit section tab, right click that, and then hit save as template, give it a name, and then I would go back and then add that section back to, on the page wherever I would want it. If I need to move it somewhere, you could just hold the button, drag, and move it to where you'd want that section to be. Now, if I wanted this button right here to be a global setting, I'm just going to click on the button here, right click, hit save as global, give it a name, and then wherever I would place this button, that would be global. So if I ever go back and change the text or the URL, that would automatically change. But now let's look at one other way we could duplicate the whole page and use it again. So if I come back to my page here, you'll see if I hover over either a page or post, we have a couple different options. We have a clone option and we have a new draft option. So I'm getting these options from downloading Yoast clone or duplicate plugin, which is free. Once you have that plugin downloaded, you're going to get different options right here. So let's just say I wanted just to change the text on a blog post, but I wanted to use the same template. Then I could just hit clone, and then that would create a new page. I'd go in, change the title name in any of the metadata that I would want, go in and then change the text, hit publish, and I would be done. So there's just a couple different ways you can duplicate a Elementor page or a section or a global item. If you guys have any more questions, please leave me a comment below.